We are going to make a very simple animation. Each corner of the stage, moving towards the other side using a very simple motion tween. Each ball should be frames, the timeline, and how to create a simple circle. To start a new file, you go to the file, start new, flash document. By default, there is a first layer, layer 1. You can start double click on the layer to rename it according to whatever you need, and it should generally it should specify what object is on that layer. So I'll be using the color names for each ball. For example, I will use the first as the red layer. You'll see here that there's no object here, so this this circle here is a blank one, means shows that it's a frame, but there is no object, it's empty right now. You can select here the first frame, frame number 1, select the oval, select the color that you want. We'll select the red color. The stroke color is the outline. For now, I'll be using no outline here, and make a circle on the top left corner of the stage. This is our stage, the white area. Click and drag. You will see that as it is an oval, you can make it in any size or radius or shape. It can be exact circle, it can be any oval. When is an exact circle, you can see the mouse that a small square will appear with it, indicating that it's an exact circle. So we'll be making a small ball here or small circle in this corner. Okay. Now, when we have created our first object, you will see that this dot or circle has been changed to a black circle. It indicates that there is an object here, or any objects, any number of objects are here. Now we need to move this to the other side. For that, you will be making a motion tween. A tween is a kind of a very animation. A motion is of course a motion animation. Any motion tween needs to be between two keyframes. This here is a keyframe. You can insert frame. This will be a simple frame. Right click, insert keyframe. This would be a keyframe. A keyframe means that it is an important frame, an event or a change is happening in this frame. You can insert a blank keyframe. Again, a circle will appear with a hollow circle or a blank circle will appear here. Let's just delete this. You can right click, clear keyframe, or remove frames completely, remove the frames. Now I want to copy the same ball over to layer frame number 30 or 35 or 40, whatever you would like. So right click, insert keyframe. Whenever you do this, it will copy whatever the previous keyframe, whatever on the previous keyframe is, and it will copy all the same thing till the second keyframe. So insert keyframe. And now you will see we have the first keyframe and the second keyframe. All these have the same ball, same circle. Now I want to, at this position, I want my circle to go to the other corner. Move it diagonally. You will select the selection tool. It should appear like dots like. If you have a stroke here, then you will need to double click on it, so that, or you will need to do like this. So let's just move it here. Now our third step is we have first created the first keyframe, whatever object you want to create. The second keyframe, change the position of the object wherever you want it to be. Then in this any area and any part of this area, here, 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 or here, you can select, right click, and create motion tween. It should change to a purple or light purple area with an arrow starting from here to the second keyframe. Now you can move your toolbar and then see. Whenever you do this, you will notice that a blue outline appearing. Now this blue square or blue outline shows that it has been changed to a symbol. Symbols do not cover our syllabus for now, so I won't be going into detail of that, but it is just um, an instance of an object. So our first layer has been done. Now for example, if you want your second keyframe to move to frame number 40 maybe, then you can just simply click and drag it there. So this will make your ball move slower. Another thing that you need to take care is the frame rate. Right now we have the 12 frame rate, means 12 frames from frame number 1 to 12 will run in 1 second. At this you can see elapsed time is 0.9 second, meaning 0.9 seconds have passed in this frame. Then 1 second have passed from here to here, we have 1 second. The total time of the movie is 3.3 seconds. You can test your movie using the control test movie, and it's a bit slower and it is on the loop. You can stop the loop and then see that it will stop here. If you don't want to make it slower, you can move it back and remove these keyframes. Remove frames. So again, let's test the movie, and it is moving fast. Now we will start work with the second layer. Insert layer. Let's do a blue circle. Now I would recommend that whenever you are working on one layer, you can hide or lock. It's better to lock the other one so that you don't see, you cannot disturb this layer. Now let's select this color and blue. Again, right click, keyframe, selection tool, move to the other side. This is the second keyframe, right click and then motion tween. Now let's see. And you can see this is our layer. The blue ball is on the top of the red ball. This is how the layers are arranged. You can move the red ball above the blue ball using just simply click and drag the layers. Let's start with the third layer, yellow. This is spelling mistake. And then I'm going to lock the second blue layer as well. Let's select the first frame. Select the oval, the color, second layer, the second frame, frame number 20. We want to make it on the same. We can make it on any other frame as well, but our requirement is that it has to be on the same. The reason all the balls have to be moved together. They have to move together. Insert keyframe, select the second frame, select the selection tool, go to the other side, and then the motion tool. So we lock it. Again, a new layer. Let's make a green ball. The first layer, let's select the first layer, oval, select the color as green, and frame number 20, select frame number 20, right click, insert keyframe, selection tool, move it to the other side. At this red ball, I want to move it properly to the edge, so selection tool, I had to unlock it, selection tool, and want to make it a little bit smaller, the blue ball as well. Let's make it to the edge. And the last, they should be exactly on the edges. So it will ensure that all the balls are moving at the same pace, at the same line. Now let's see this. And this is our finished movie. And now select save or simply save. Write your name underscore 4 balls. Now, or if you want to just view the movie separately, so we will export movie, and you can select AVI, you can select a simple QuickTime movie, a Flash movie. Let's do the Flash movie for now. This is how you will be submitting your assignments or saving your exams. Name and then the assignment name. And this is how you export the movie and save it as Flash movie. Whatever the settings are, don't change anything, press OK. And you can see here we have two files. FLA, this is the Flash Micromedia Flash file. SWF is the Shockwave Flash object, meaning it's a movie. When you double click it, it will directly run.